The final word in water defense. Welcome back to the Pure Way Winning Show. Stage 3 Nano Armor. It's the ultimate line of defense, now even stronger, more advanced, and more reliable than ever before. In this stage, nanotechnology, antimicrobial protection, and chemical polishing unite to deliver water your customers can truly trust. Pure, safe, and crystal clear. Let's take a closer look inside and see exactly how it works. The core of Stage 3 is Nano Armor, the most advanced and important technology in this stage. This material originally developed for NASA and U.S. military defense, designed to protect against biological threats in the harshest conditions imaginable. This is the primary defense layer, and it does the heavy lifting in this stage. Nano armor uses a powerful electropositive charge to attract and lock in microscopic contaminants like viruses, bacteria, cysts, and other ultrafine biological threats. Unlike standard filters that only rely on pore size, nano armor pulls contaminants out of the water, capturing particles at the submicron level. That's dozens of times smaller than the capabilities of most whole-house filters on the market. And with a pleated surface, it offers high flow, massive capacity, and long-lasting performance. Across the United States, there are an estimated 10,000 boil water advisories issued each year, often due to decontamination risks from pipe damage or system failures. At the same time, the country experiences over 240,000 water main breaks annually. That's nearly 700 breaks every single day. These numbers highlight just how aging and vulnerable our water infrastructure really is. That's why nano armor matters. If a boil water advisory is issued or a municipal line becomes contaminated, nano armor keeps working without power, without flushing, and without delay. It's always on, always protecting, and always ready. Filtration is only part of the equation. Inside the filter itself, we embed Aegeon silver, a trusted antimicrobial used in hospitals, clean rooms, and high-purity environments. We use this technology to keep the inside of the filter clean and protected from microbial buildup over time. Moisture, warmth, and time allow bacteria to grow behind the scenes, unless something actively stops it. Aegeon silver does exactly that. It prevents biofilm from forming and works silently. This protection your customer never sees, but always benefits from. While nano armor protects the water, Aegeon silver protects the system. The final layer in Stage 3 is nanocarbon, a magnesium-enhanced catalytic carbon. It targets things like volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, which include fuel byproducts and industrial solvents. It also tackles chlorine and chloramine. Plus, it catches residual byproduct toxins, like THMs and haloacetic acids. Nanocarbon smooths out the water, balances the taste, and gives your customer that clean, crisp finish they can actually feel. This final stage isn't just a filter, it's a finisher. It's what gives the water that polished quality to every tap in the home. Now let's zoom out and ask the big question. What would it cost to piece together all three technologies in Stage 3 using separate systems? Here's what your customer would need to buy. First, a submicron nanofiber pleated filter. That's $700 to $900 just for the cartridge and housing. Next, a UV disinfection system. That's around $1,200 to $2,000, including the power supply, stainless steel chamber, and professional installation. Then there's a whole home catalytic carbon unit, which runs about $800 to $1,000, depending on capacity and media quality. And don't forget professional installation, which adds another $500 to $1,000, not even counting annual bulb and media replacements. So total, you're looking at $3,000 to $4,500 or more, and still no antimicrobial housing defense. With Pure Way, all of that comes built in, fully integrated, and ready from day one. No add-ons, no backwashing, no electricity, just world-class protection, simplified. So let's recap. Nano armor captures viruses, bacteria, and biological threats. Aegeon silver protects the housing from internal microbial growth. Nanocarbon finishes the job by removing chemicals and polishing taste. It's a 3-in-1 powerhouse, delivering what no other brand can in a single stage. You're not just filtering water, you're fortifying it. This is the future of whole home defense. It's smarter, it's simpler, it's stronger. And it's why Pure Whey doesn't just compete with the industry, we're rewriting what clean water looks like. We are Pure Whey strong.